Got another Audi for you. 2015 A3 Cabriolet. This is a slick little car. I mean, just slick as a button. Let's take a little ride. Feels like I'm riding in a little bathtub. I mean, that's exactly what I feel like I'm riding in. A little bitty bathtub. Candy apple red. It's got almost 47,000 miles on it. It's clean as a pin, though. I mean, spotless. Oh, we can run all the windows with one touch of one button. Oh, that's cool. I just opened up all of them. That was really neat. Got cold AC. This has the 4-cylinder. I'm assuming, let's see, the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Probably good for about 220 horse. Sweet little car. Oh, she's got a, okay, there she goes. She's peppy. I mean, not fast by any means, but peppy. A little bit of turbo lag. There she goes. Yeah, I got a little bit of turbo lag with this 4-cylinder. Very simple controls. I like this. I mean, it does have Audi's MMI system with the screen and the knob down here, but it looks like things are pretty basic. Here's our nav. And here's our radio. And then go to media to do Bluetooth. Telephone. Oh, if you have your telephone Bluetooth, it goes to your directory. It's pretty cool. Okay, there she is, the A3. I got a phone call, interrupted the video. It is just a 2-wheel drive. I thought so because I got a little bit of front wheel spin. It's got a new set of tires on it. Well, it's got a combination of Continentals on the front, Iron Man on the back. Oh yeah, I'm sure that's the 2-liter. Let's see if it says. I don't see the decal. I wonder if this is a replacement hood. Might be. No, let's see. No, it's the 1.8. Okay. That's the same thing as in my Golf. Slick looking little ride, isn't it? Continental tire. Continental. So we got 3 Continentals and 1 Iron Man. Let's see if we can do the top. There we go. I could enjoy one of these. Oh yeah, very nice. All right, guys, we'll see you with the next one. Peace.